it's Skill Bite here, and we've got a remodeling on a kitchen. So dishwasher was installed incorrectly, unfortunately, so that's gonna have to be fixed too, but it's also got a new garbage disposal, and the dishwasher is not draining. It's leaking out the bottom of the drawer. Well, the most common issue when you have that is that they didn't knock out the drain plug on the garbage disposal. So this drain went right to here, and there's a plug. If you remove that and then you put your finger in here, it should be opened into the drain. Make sure you turn the breaker off before messing with your garbage disposal for safety. There's the wires for it. So, how to fix it? All right, it's actually really simple, and you don't have to remove the garbage disposal. So what you want to do, using a screwdriver, just put your screwdriver here. Hammer, this is just a small hammer, and you're going to tap it. Tap it. As you move the screwdriver around, it's going to pop it. It's going to pop that plug out. That plug is going to be in here, and this is why you want to, for sure, make sure your garbage disposal's circuit breaker is off. And this will be down where it went back in. And you're going to have to reach in and find it. It helps if you have a flashlight to see exactly where it is, but that's what the plug looks like. There is nothing to it. You don't have to remove the garbage disposal because it's just not that hard to knock out. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.